What's up everyone, it's Mark here with M2M Detail, and real quick video guys, we're going to do on how to install paint protection film to your headlights. We have a 2018 Acura TLX. If you guys are looking for pre-cuts for your vehicle, check out the website, link in the description. If we don't have it listed, we could definitely get it for you. So just contact us with the vehicle make, model, and trim of the vehicle, and we'll send you over templates and give you some quotes on it. All right guys, first things first, you want to clean them. We did polish them out. They got pretty beat up already, so we're not going to do a headlight restoration. The customer didn't want that. He just wanted some PPF on top. So we compounded them out, alcoholed them already, surface prep, and now we're going to be applying the PPF to it. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed, please do. I really do appreciate it. So let's get our baby shampoo. We're going to let this run down a little bit, make a little mess real quick. We are doing the front bumper right after this, so I will record that. It's getting pretty late. It's almost 8:30 right now, guys. So it's been a long day, last vehicle, so we're gonna knock this out real quick. So I do the soap with the squeegee first thing to make sure we get all the debris down. And after that, now we're gonna be ready to install the film. So we grab our pre-cut right here, guys. This is gonna be the back side right here. Make sure you guys wash your hands, keep them lubed, try to get, no dirt or anything on the film as you're laying it. So we're gonna pop this off real quick, spray it down, spray it down nicely. And we're using Johnson baby shampoo, guys, if you're wondering. And we are using hot water for tack solution. So right now, guys, we're just checking our lines, make sure the pre-cut looks good up to our standard, see how we're gonna position it. So you're gonna see we're gonna have to do a little stretching. You got finger and finger right here, guys. So we're gonna have to pull it back, but you can see we have plenty of room to pull about 1 inch on the backside to make that film stretch across. So first things first, guys, I'm gonna tack down this area right here, get that all nicely laid down. Spray the top with some baby shampoo so your squeegee works really nice on it. We will be using the PPF Hornet, so I like to spray mine down, make sure it's nicely lubed. And then we got our hot water, guys, so get this pumped out. Lift this up. We're going to be spraying the film with hot water like that, and now we're going to position it. So once you have it positioned, you want to lock it down. And I'm back. My bad, guys. I had to get that phone call. He called me twice today. Gotta make sure he's okay. So we'll go through on the other one step by step. Hopefully you guys kind of saw through the little time lapse I did how we just had to stretch it to get over that corner right there. So only thing I see, we're gonna have the little finger that keeps popping up right here. But other than that, guys, we're looking very, very good. Make sure everything's looking nice. Get this top edge nice and down. So we're going to shoot it up with some hot water. Alright guys, so now we're pretty much done with this one. I'm going to throw, for the last final pass, guys, I'm going to do the Johnson baby shampoo. We're going to go with the black side, and we're just going to hit it hard. So using a lot of pressure, just making sure there's no slip solution or any air in there. We want to make sure that all gets out. Hit your corners twice, guys. There we go. So we do got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 little fingers up top right here, guys. We'll get that out with the heat gun. But let's go hop on the other side, get that one done real quick, and then we'll finish them up with the heat gun. All right, guys, I got you pre-zoomed in on this one, so probably not gonna be able to see me. Same thing again, we're gonna do our Johnson Baby Shampoo, guys, everywhere. Let that run down. And then we'll grab our little pink squeegee right here, pink clean, and we're gonna get all this top, make sure there's no dirt coming down into our PPF, keep it clean. Go across it, across, and that's it. Now we'll grab our baby shampoo and let that get. Got our pre-cut right here, guys. Make sure your hands are clean. Grab our Johnson Baby Shampoo. We'll spray this down real quick. Get that down, grab it. So I did hear it stick to my finger when I released it. So wherever it stuck to your finger, guys, you want to go back, give it a nice little spray, make sure you don't have your fingerprints left on the film. That has happened before. So make sure that's all nice, spray the top. Same issue before, guys, but I do a little bit of stretching right there. And let's lock down this front area again. Some hot water. That looks good. So guys, when you're locking down your front area, you want to check your line. I mean, if you go over it, you're probably going to have to cut it off. It's not going to stick too good because it's not enough film to be wrapped around. If you have like a 1/4 inch wrapped over, yeah, you'd be able to tuck it around. But you just want to go right up to your edge where you can't even see the seam, and just make sure that all looks good before you start tacking it down. So I know we're really good, not really worried about that until we get there. But at least right here we have a nice bottom line. Our top line's very even, no fingers at all. So that looks great. So now we're gonna go to the back side. We're gonna pull this up, throw some hot water, give it one more spray. So let's do it. All right, guys, when I do this stretch right here, you guys can see, I'm gonna try to pull it to that back, and then we're gonna pull this down because we gotta make sure we get that finger out at the top. So you see how this is lifting up? We wanna control that down where it meets the bottom. This is pretty much tacked already. So we're gonna throw some squeegee on that, tack that down, right? Now we're gonna work this down, and we wanna make sure we keep that bottom line nice and even to the bottom. So you guys can see that. Hopefully we're right on the edge. There's no film overlap. We're right on that corner, and that's exactly how you want it. So push this back one more time. Make sure there's nothing going on up there. A couple little fingers right there, not worried about. So we just got to squeegee this out. Now when you guys are doing your final squeegee right here, you don't want to squeegee into this area. This is locked down. This is all cleaned up. So you don't want to move this fluid into there. So what we're going to do in this little area right here, we're going to split it, go across, and I'm going to bring it down. So I'm going to bring some of it down, just like that. And then for the rest, we're going to go up. So we're going to release it all from the top. You see we got some fingers right there. Another, so 1, 2, 3 big ones. So before we finish those up, we want to make sure all this is empty. We don't want any more air bubbles or solution in there. And so now we're going to get this with some hot water, and we're just going to hit that out. All right, guys, so that won't even lay down even better. Just hold that for a quick second, and that's it. All right, guys, let's wipe them down. We'll get the heat gun and finish them up. All right, guys, so now we're going to do the final touches. I got them all dried up already. You see we got a couple little fingers here and there. Nothing crazy, so we're going to grab our heat gun. Damn, that's probably really close to my face. So heat gun, we have it on high. Remember guys, when you're using a heat gun with PPF, don't let it sit there for too long. You can burn the film, you could rip the film. It will just deteriorate itself if you get it too hot. So you're pretty much just using this as a drying aid. So we'll just hit this top, boom, done. That one's gone. Hit that one's gone. We go up here, make sure that little indentation's gone. Now we're gonna go around all these edges. So we're pretty much just burning out the edges while I'm sitting down. So you see this little finger right here, guys. We throw a little bit of heat, hold it, gone. Make sure it's completely gone by throwing more heat. That all looks good. Let's go around this bottom right here. Check our top edge one more time with some more heat. Got a little one right there. All right guys, so that one's done. Let's move on to the other side. All right guys, so same thing on this one. We're gonna make sure we get all the little fingers out. There's a little bubble right here. I don't know if that's gonna pick up on camera, guys. It's got a little bubble. We're gonna throw some heat and we'll just use our hand on that one because it's on that little indentation where it bubbles out. So make sure that's all good. Go around the bottom edge. Go over that top one more time. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done. That is it with the headlights. Hopefully this video helped you guys out if you're trying to do pre-cut headlights. Sorry I was on the phone on the first headlight, my bad. But yeah, overall guys, hit me up if you guys need anything. Appreciate you watching. As always, Mark out.